Hello, friends. Today we shall be speaking about, in the series of Mahadasha, a 19 years of Mahadasha, which normally comes into your life as a Mahadasha of Shani Dev, or it's called as Saturn. Now, as the description or the title of this video says, why have you recently lost that joyfulness? The laughter is gone from your life, you are more serious about things, and why you have taken up the responsibility, or you were forced to take a responsibility, because we have to understand that when you were in the dasha of Rahu, you were misled, you were living in illusion, you were into bad company, you were not fulfilling your responsibility. And then came Guru for the 16 years. After Guru, that is Jupiter, he taught you all the lesson. Please, I would like to make a statement over here that understand that when Jupiter comes as a Lord of Mahadasha Lord, it is not all that good period for the reason. A teacher would always make you or give you some assignments, will make you work very hard. So things are not going to be very hunky-dory for you. It's going to be difficult. And after Guru has taught you a lesson, Shani Dev wants you to now take the responsibility. Whatever has been taught to you and you have graduated now, it is time for you to understand that you are supposed to take the responsibility which you were not shouldering all this while. So talking about Saturn's 19 years Mahadasha, I'll take you further. And to take you further, just give me a moment. So friends, back into the studio room. Saturn comes for 19 years, and when it comes into your life, what normally happens? You will start feeling that, or you will notice that you are not yourself. Your sense of humor is gone. You have lost that laughter, the laugh that you used to enjoy. You will also sense that, the movies that you used to watch, the comedy movie you used to watch, no more interests you. Suddenly you will become a very serious person. Or the better word is, you are more now sensible, and now you are more wise. Because Shani Dev is a planet which makes you wise. Everything is about practical, realistic approach. It's all about constant work, work and work. That is what Saturn is all about. Saturn is, if you look at it, it's the most beautiful planet of all the planets. But in reality, you will see that it is very dry, very slow, and most people, they dread of this planet. Most of the astrologers who will tell you that, okay, it's going to be Shani's Mahadasha and you are going to be in trouble, which is actually absolutely not true. Okay, this particular planet Saturn, to make you serious in life. When I say serious, I mean to say it is trying to make you more responsible. It's trying to take you to a path where you realize what is your duty as a son, as a brother, as a husband, or as a teacher, or as a student, whatever. It's trying to tell you, okay, what is your correct path. Now, what it's trying to make you is, you start seeing things like a very old, wise man. You know, it says that when Saturn Mahadasha starts, believe me, you will start looking older also. People would definitely comment and say, why have you become so serious? We don't see that, we don't see that laughter on your face, the smile on your face. You've got wrinkles on your face. Why so? Saturn is now trying to put that stress, anxiety into you, because that is the only way you are going to get onto your path, and which is very important. Now, further, Saturn wants you to become, like, serious about few duties that you're supposed to perform towards, or the responsibility towards your family, your children, people working under you. Okay, and if you're serving government, you have to be serious about it. Saturn will now not allow you to take a wrong path. If you're working in government, and if you are, you know what I mean to say, Saturn is not going to allow. Saturn somewhere or the other will create a trap, and you would be in a trap. So all this while, if you're taking some, under the table money or whatever you were doing, Saturn will say stop. There would be two or three occasions where it will give you a message, but if you don't listen, be prepared. Now, Saturn will never stop you from reaching your goal. Saturn is all about work. It will say you will achieve your goal if you put in a lot of efforts, if you become workaholic, if you have got the passion in you, then Saturn will definitely help you to reach that goal for sure. And that is the reason why many people see happiness, wealth, fame, name during this Saturn Mahadasha also. Now, to achieve this name, fame, and all, what Saturn requires from you, what is your part to play, is that you become more disciplined, you become more organized, you structure yourself. Everything that Saturn represents should come into you. So you have to imbibe the personality of Saturn. If Saturn receives an aspect from the Lord of the second house, fifth house, seventh house, ninth house, or maybe from 11th house, especially if the aspect is from Jupiter, you will see that during this Mahadasha of Saturn, you will be blessed with a child. You will get married. Success and finance will come to you readily. This is what Saturn will give you. Saturn, whenever it conjuncts with any other planet, it will definitely take the qualities of that planet also. But it will discipline that quality quite well, merge it, and then give it in your life. Saturn is the Karaka, or the significator of the 6th house, 8th house, 10th house, and the 12th house. Now, what is the 6th house? 6th house is about illness, loans, debts. Shani Dev is going to, be if you have taken the loan, it will make you work so you pay off the loan. If you're looking for a loan, it will help you to get the loan. 8th house, on the other hand, is a house of transformation and taxes. So if you have been, all this while you have been trying to save taxes or robbing taxes from, not paying the government, Shani Dev will now make you pay that taxes. Please remember that. Then comes the career, the 10th house. It will put you into the right career. It will make you disciplined towards your job, towards your profession. Then comes the 12th house, which is a house of moksha. It will help you to do certain things in life where you can achieve moksha or peace in life. They say that Shani Dev, if it comes at the age, it all depends. It will make you slog so much that you will have no fear of death also. You will take death also very positively. You will understand the role of karma. Why am I slogging so much? It will make you understand why this is required. That is the reason I always worship this planet Shani Dev so much. I have just come out of that dasha just 2 years back. I have seen the Saraswati period in my life. Believe me, whatever lesson has been taught during this particular time, today I am what I am because of this two, the dasha and the Saraswati of Shani Dev. So much I've been taught, so much I have learned, so much I have, I've seen, I've faced my karmas. Anyway, now it also doesn't matter this Mahadasha comes at what age. Whichever age it will come, it will definitely make you realize that what is the value of life, what is the duty towards the government, what is the duty towards your family, how to achieve your career, what you are supposed to do, the do's and the don'ts to achieve something in life, and a very peaceful death if you're looking for. How you can get that if you listen, abide, and go as per Saturn's instructions. So, friends, if you if you are running into the dasha of Shani Dev, try to reconcile with or concile with my whatever I've spoken in this video. If Saturn's Mahadasha is approaching, you know what you're supposed to do. If you have just come out of the Mahadasha of Shani Dev, you have to understand that Shani Dev, before leaving you, that's what I always say, ending of Mahadasha and beginning of Mahadasha, Shani Dev has handed over to Mercury a very polished person. Shani Dev has given something like, see, I have made this man or a woman, I am giving you a very polished person now. So it becomes very easy for Mercury now to give what it has to give you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, do subscribe to my channel, like the video, share the video, and God bless you. Thank you.